I had the FUT transplant, which basically they took a strip of hair from the back of my head and it was just applied to my goatee area. I remember Dr. Jae Pak was saying how they really took the time to individually put each follicle and kind of twist it around a little bit to where like it looks more natural, so it's not like just straight hair that looks like head hair. It'll actually look more like facial hair once it grows out, which that was amazing on like his part. Obviously he is a professional, he knows what he's doing.
So for me, I felt more comfortable doing FUT because looking at the pros and cons, you know, the goal was to just maximize the results. So having a small scar in the back of my head that I'd, you know, be able to hide pretty easily, to me wasn't that big of a con, and I just kind of heard that the results are sometimes a little bit better.
What he did was like right above, you know, because I have a head full of hair, it just was not in the back. So what he did was he, you know, right a couple inches above, took some from that, you know, and then like added the grafts and stuff to it. That's it, but other than that, like there's no pain.
Overall, I felt very cared for. There was a lot of follow-ups. You know, I had clear instructions. I came back the next day, I believe, to get my hair washed, which was nice. And I was given like special tools, like a sponge to wash my hair.
After the procedure was a little bit tricky for me because I just thought that when I start seeing things changing in terms of like the hair actually sprouting out of the follicles, that they would be there to stay. And this is one of the many stages that they explained to me, which is that some hair will grow in and it will, you know, fall out over time, but that's only the beginning.
The hair is fully back. I have not had this hairline since I was in my late 20s, and now I feel like a whole new person. This whole process was one that took some time to go through, but the results are worthwhile. I implore folks that are thinking about getting this done to come check out Dr. Jae Pak. He is the real deal.